Advanced Assembly has made ordering PCBs and PCB assemblies super easy with its new online quote and ordering tool called PCB Xpert. And even though it is designed to be easy and intuitive to use, we wanted to provide a quick tutorial on how it works, just in case you get stuck. So here we go. First, to access PCB Xpert, click on any Get a Quote button on the website, then sign into your customer account. A couple of things to remember here. PCB Xpert performs best when using Google Chrome. It isn't required, but definitely recommended. Second, even if you had a login on our previous website, you'll need to create a new account for PCB Xpert. The first step is to tell us some basics about your project. Unlike other online tools, PCB Xpert allows you to quote up to 3 different quantities at once. Give your project a name and then tell us which type of service you'd like. Advanced Assembly is very flexible. With our turnkey service, we'll buy parts and boards for you, then handle the assembly. It's really the easiest way to get your design created. But of course, you can provide parts and boards to us too, whatever's easiest for you. Next, tell us about your assembly requirements. Remember, every item must be answered before you'll be able to move on to the next step. A note here, if you allow part substitutions, it makes it much faster and less expensive for us to find and procure parts for your project. This is a good practice because of current part shortages. Now's the fun part. Upload your BOM for instant part availability. BOM should be in Excel and have each column clearly labeled. Use the provided template if you have questions here. If you don't use standard labels for your column headers, you'll be asked to map them. Simply drag the line from your BOM file fields to the appropriate standard BOM fields. Once you accept the mapping, you'll receive a list of parts that either have no stock or we couldn't find the part. Before moving on, you'll need to tell us how to resolve the sourcing issue. Select I will supply, which means you'll send us the part, do not install, or you need additional help with this part. If you need help at this stage, just click I need assistance and give us some details. But for this tutorial, I'm going to supply the missing parts myself. One additional point, if you'd like to see the entire BOM, simply select Show All Lines. Once all issues are resolved, you'll see BOM is clean at the bottom. Moving on to PCB specifications. Even if you are supplying PCBs, we need some basic parameters in order to give you an accurate quote. Enter in the required fields. If you don't have board files, you can upload any board information. This can also be a zip file. Select your desired turn time, remembering to add 1 extra day for shipping. Check the box next to the option you'd like. Apply a coupon code, if applicable. At this point, you can download the quote to save for future reference. Verify your order details. If you are tax exempt, click this box and upload your tax exempt document. Check your billing and shipping address. Select your shipping method. If you want to use your own shipping account, select Bill My Account and enter your account number. Enter your payment information and you are done. Your order is automatically sent to our processing team and you'll receive a verification email. That's it. We look forward to working with you and help making your designs a reality.